Hey guys, this is STKL Gaming here, but you can call me STOOG. So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about 5 steps to get more followers, reach and engagement on your Instagram. So let's just start with step number 1. Optimize your Instagram account. Now what I mean by optimizing your Instagram account is like when you, for example, post a story, you can make a highlight out of it and showcase that highlights underneath your Instagram logo like this. So mine is shout out giveaway and blah blah blah, you can read it. Also you can plug in your YouTube channel link on the Instagram profile. Now other thing is post reels. IGTV needs to be there. IGTV is not necessary, but reels you can upload in the same manner like I'm showing you right now on your screen. You can see that there are Instagram logo as well as like and subscribe. That's what I prefer, and in between there is thumbnails, so it's pretty good and looks decent and clean, and people can get to know you very well if you optimize your Instagram post, reels as well as IGTV. You can see IGTV attractive. On IGTV I will prefer you to use attractive thumbnails like I'm doing it right now. So yeah, moving on to the next step is consistency in uploading content. Now what I mean by that, you need to upload your post at a particular period of time. For example, if you upload one reel yesterday's evening, then another reel of yours should be uploaded tomorrow's evening. Now what I mean by that is you need to give a day or a 2 days gap between your posts so that your post can reach and get engaged by your audience, by your targeted audience. So yeah, moving further on, the third step is avoid fake Instagram followers. Now what I mean by that is if you have fake Instagram followers, they will not engage with your post, your reels, your IGTV. They might like your post, reels or IGTV, but they might not comment down below, or they might not even see your stories. So yeah, moving further, number 4th is advertise your Instagram page. Now what I mean by that, every Instagram have their own YouTube channel. Now you can take example of mine, that I promote my channel by giving annotation in my YouTube channel page and also linking my Instagram account on my YouTube channel. Moving further on, the last step is post content followers want. Now this is a very key and important step. You can say you need to post what your followers want. For example, if you want your followers from PUBG Mobile community, you need to upload post, reels, IGTV regarding that PUBG Mobile game. Also you can upload various types of stories on your Instagram page, tagging for example PUBG Mobile, to reach out to the PUBG Mobile community so that people can discover your story. For example, if they search PUBG Mobile on Instagram, and they will eventually land up on your page if they notice your story, and if they click on your story, they will, if they like the story, then they might as well check your Instagram, and if they might like your reels, Instagram, IGTV videos, they might give you a follow. You never know. So that's how you grow on Instagram, by using these 5 simple steps to gain more followers, more reach and more engagement with your post and Instagram page. So if you really like this video, please hit that like button, and if you really learn something new on how to reach and get engaged and get more followers on your Instagram, then please subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video. Until then, peace.